If you're carrying a gun in public for personal defense, you should be carrying spare ammunition with it. Hi, I'm Luke with Whiskey 6 Tactical with today's Coaching Corner. Today I'm going to talk about speed loading. Speed loading is a technique we use to reload a gun when you're under fire in a personal defense situation. Your gun has run out of ammunition and you need to reload that gun as fast and efficiently as possible. In order to do that, we use a technique called speed loading, sometimes called an empty gun reload. The speed load is the fastest way to reload the gun and the most efficient means to get ammunition into the empty gun so that you can continue the fight. The speed load is only one technique of many that you need to learn and master if you're going to carry a handgun in public for personal defense. Just going to the range and shooting paper is not enough to carry you through a self-defense situation. At Whiskey 6 Tactical, we offer classes and training on personal defense with firearms. Call us today to start your training journey and be ready.